Big Scary servers just got fixed, so I'm gonna check it out here. Alright, we're loading in right now. Yo, setting up new account. So, we're going to check out the new update. Yo, bro, I just got on. Let's check it out. Yo, bro, this is sick. Yo. Oh, monster. Why do I not have my eye?
Gucci on my PJs. You know what's up?
Why is it not having like the whole? Guys, don't go down there. Don't go down. I want to hear the little train. No. I've watched some YouTube videos around 2 p.m. about it, but I haven't seen the new level. I've heard that like people were saying that it was out. It's out. So I checked today and realized it is. Train. No, monster. No.
Guys, I hear him.
Guys.
He sounds scary as heck.
I know, bro. He sounds like a freaking broken phone. Does that even exist?
Left.
Hi, guys.
The next house is
cozy, bro.
Oh, the train.
Please move out of the way.
Please move. No, that's fire. That's fire. That's fire. That is sick.
I know the button.
Is there like any secrets in here? Like I heard a big rat is in here.
Guys, wait.
It's Smiler. Dude,
I know, it's someone.
I don't know. Is he jump scare that little critter?
Move. Guys, let me jump scare.
Dude, why jump scare? Please move out of the way. Dude.
Can we please get jump scared?
Dude.
That thing is scary.
Why? Do you want to die? Yes or no? Yo, bro. Who got you smiling like that, bro? Like, you gon' lie. Oh, baby, close your eyes.
This is the coolest update.
Oh, gosh. What the heck is that?
Where's the last button at?
Oh, my God.
Guys, we have to hop on the train.
Dude, but it's gonna kill us. It's gonna kill us.
Oh, yeah.
Because that's how physics work in real life. Trains kill you if you go in front of it.
Guys, come on. I know, it's so cool.
Yeah, they actually made real life physics in Big Scary. They have a working sink.
The next L train.
What?
Please move out of the way.
Oh, that crap fire. That crap gotta be fire. If you don't say it's fire, I'm going to kill you.
Dude, it is fun.
Dude, I love Shark's music, bro. It actually is cool. It's epic.